Alright, welcome back. We have all of our emails here. Now we have to go ahead and validate all of them in one go. So here's what you do. You're going to need NeverBounce. And if you pass the initial test, you can use free leads at first. And if you do a good job and we keep working together, I will give you access to my account so you can use mine. But I'm going to sign in. So you're going to come to this page, and what you're going to do is you're going to copy the emails that you have, open up one more new sheet. This is the last time you're going to do this. Again, paste them here and copy it, and you call it emails. And by the way, if you're doing this for a lot of leads, then you might have over 100 emails here. I'm just doing it with, I don't know, how many, 19 emails as an example. But you would do this with a lot more emails. But the system is the same. So once you have the emails pasted into the next sheet, again, at this point you've copied this stuff over here, and you found the emails. Now you copy the emails again, and you are going to download this sheet as a CSV right here. File, download as CSV. Okay, file, download CSV. It's going to pop up down here. Now hit on the clean page of NeverBounce, hit add list, and you're just going to drop this in here. Whoops, drop it in like that. Okay, and as long as you have credits here, I've got plenty. Take a few seconds, it's going to pop up. Click clean my list and pay using credits. And let it do its thing. This might take, oh, that was pretty fast. Sometimes it takes like a minute or two. You just got to give it a sec. But once it completes, you're going to see the download button here. Most of these are already validated, which is great, but we've got 3 or 4 that are not valid, so we're going to take care of those in a sec. So, click download, all results, make sure you do all results, and then go back to this page, file, import, and then you're going to click upload over here, and then drag and drop the new sheet into this, and you're going to, under import location, you're going to replace current sheet right here, okay? Don't do spreadsheet, don't insert a new sheet, just replace the current sheet right here and click import data. Now we have a list of validated emails, which means that we can definitely deliver to them. We have 3, and then we have 3 accept all emails, I think, right? Let me see. So we had 1 invalid. Where's the invalid? I'm not seeing the invalid. That's weird. Anyway, if you had any invalids, I'll make a few of them invalid as an example. I'll say this one's invalid and this one's invalid. Here's what you do. First thing, you're going to go and click this column. Oh wait, am I going ahead of myself here? Let me check. Okay, no. So I'm gonna end the tutorial here. So this is what you're gonna end up with after you import the file from NeverBounce. You're gonna end up with this, and in the next tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to actually validate these emails and these emails without having to test and send an email with Gmail.